Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install speed sights on my Glock pistol. Speed sights are just the rear and the front sight with so-called diamonds, and they are illuminated. I will show you exactly when they are on the Glock. To assemble these parts you need to field strip the Glock. I've already taken out the magazine. Look, there's nothing in the chamber. Pull the slide back, pull the trigger, pull the slide a bit back and push this part down on both sides. Take out the double spring and the barrel, and your Glock is field stripped now. And we have here the slide. And here we have the Glock illuminated sights on it. I like the sights very much, but I decided to buy the speed sights because they look very interesting and I wanted to test them. So I ordered them from the United States. There was no problem with the customs in Austria. Shipping costs are of course a bit expensive because there's a long way from United States to Austria, and the sights aren't that cheap, but I thought I will give them a chance. To get off the front side you need this tool from Glock. There is a screw inside and all you have to do is loosen the screw. I've mounted the sight myself. It is very easy with the tool. Without the tool it would take very long, and I think it's nearly impossible. So here we have the screw, and here we have the front side. I take out the screw of the new side. It has the same size, so the Glock tool works also with this screw. And now I put some blue Loctite on the screw so that it can't go off alone. Just a little bit. That's enough. I took a bit too much. The blue Loctite will go off when you screw with your manpower. It will be no problem to get this screw out again. I've already used the blue Loctite with the original Glock front side. Now I put in the speed sight. It's very hard to get this part in. It has a really exact fit. It has a really tight fit, but it worked without anything to do on the slide or on the side. All I did is I put it in a bit and then I put it on the table and push pressure on the slide, and it wasn't easy, but it is in. Now I take the screw and screw it on. Just gentle, because I don't want to damage the screw. So now I have the front side, my speed sight on my Glock. To get off the rear side I recommend the tool from Glock, or you let this be done at your gun store. I would not recommend it to do it with a screwdriver or a punch, because it isn't necessary. Your gun dealer will do it for you, and if you're a freak like me, you have the tool from Glock. Put on this tool, screw it on, and this screw also on the side, and then you can take off the originals. You see, it is very tight even with the tool. I once tried it with a screwdriver. It worked, but it didn't look good after I was ready. Loosen the screw, and there is the old re-sight. So all you do is put the new re-sight in the tool. So I thought that would be all, because it doesn't work. The sight is too big for the tool. I will try to take out this screw completely. Now I should have enough space, and I will try it again. Here we go. I think it doesn't work, because I hope you see it in the video. The sight is not really good in the tool, because it has some space here in the front, and this doesn't work with this part here on the Glock tool. My first try to put the speed sight on my Glock wasn't that good, so I did some work with my Dremel on the Glock tool, and I cut this edge a bit down, and I hope now it will be able to install the speed sights. Now I'm able to put them on with the tool. Thought it would be easier. But I think it's good that I've done this to my Glock tool, because if I want to get the speed sights off again, it isn't easy, so it will also work with my Glock tool now. And now I have speed sights on my Glock. What I do not like is, I think the speed sights are a bit high. When you take a look at the normal Glock sights, they are lower on the slide, but I will see it at the range if it does matter or not. Now I've adjusted the speed sight a bit better in the middle with this tool here, and my sight is now exact in the middle, so I can screw the screw in the middle down. There is some dirt on this part. We'll also screw it down gentle. That's enough. So, and now let's put the gun together and go on the range to see if they work good. To install the speed sights isn't that easy as I thought it would be, but with the Dremel and the Glock tool, with a little modification here on that edge, it works. To put the gun together, put in the barrel, the double spring. And put the slide on the frame, and the clock is assembled. So now let's go on the range and shoot with the new sights. So after a bit training, all the rounds are in the 10. Perhaps you have seen that I have installed new lights in my basement. So I think this time you will see from this position a bit more of the pistol movement. And I want to show you the trigger reset. I have the trigger the full way on the back, and I let it go forward a bit and it will make click. Now it has made click and the pistol is ready to shoot again. All my rounds have found the way into 10. I will try to shoot one more time with the view on the sides. It isn't really easy, there's the camera between me and the pistol, but let's try it. Now let's find out how fast I am on the target with the sights and what I can hit. The look on the target, for me it was very fast and very accurate. 5 more rounds, this time from the other camera position. Very nice. So I think you see here my new favorite gun. It's my Glock 17 with the speed sights, and it is my new favorite gun because of the speed sights. And if you ask me if they're worth the price, I definitely have to say yes. I like them a lot. There were problems to install these sights, but if you go to your gun dealer, it was impossible for me, because I bought the sights in the United States and they shipped them to Austria. But if you live in the United States and you buy them at your gun dealer, there will be no problem for you to install the sights and you will enjoy them. So I hope you enjoyed this video. See you next time. Bye bye.